Hey everyone, Melody here, and here's what happened in the Guelph and Kitchener-Waterloo real estate market this February. Buyers, good news, more homes are hitting the market. Guelph saw 401 new listings and Kitchener-Waterloo had 901. That means more options and less competition compared to last year this time. But well-priced homes are still selling fast. The average home is moving in about 22 to 33 days. Sellers' pricing strategy is still key. Homes in Guelph are selling at about 101% of the asking price, which basically means that the well-priced homes are still getting strong offers and sometimes even over asking. But with more inventory available, overpricing could leave your home sitting on the market longer. No one wants that. Homeowners thinking of renovations, with home values holding steady at about $773,000 in Guelph and $755,000 in Kitchener-Waterloo, now could be the time to tap into your home's equity for upgrades. There are some amazing loan programs and incentives in Ontario to help, like home renovation loans, accessory apartment grants, and green home initiatives. I'll be dropping a video soon covering all the best homeowner incentives in Ontario, so stay tuned. Love diving into more numbers? DM me and I'll send you a full market report with all the stats and graphs. Curious about how you can actually add value to your home this spring? Send me a DM and I'll send you a list of low-cost ways to add at least $10,000 more to your home this spring.